Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can send a view once picture in your Instagram chats. So first let's move to our Instagram chats, and here you can see that I have this chat right here. And for example, I want them to send a picture, but I want them that they should only be able to view that picture once, and then after that it automatically disappears or gets deleted. So in that situation, what you need to do is simply tap on this camera icon at the right corner. Then once you tap on the camera icon, you can see that it has opened the camera layout. So if you want to snap a picture right away, you may choose that, or if you want to select it from your galleries, you may do that as well. So for example, I will select this image right here, and for example, now what you need to do is in this corner you need to tap here and choose to view once. Once you have selected the view once option, all you need to do is hit that send button, and then whenever they will see this photo, it will automatically get deleted. You can see that one is appearing here, which represent that it's a view once image. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.